with CJ earlier.
Yeah, nagkaroon yun and then kasi ang iniisip ng player is he wants to to win. He wants to win by playing a lot of times. But as a coach, I know what's happening. Okay? Because we're after to the flow of the game. But knowing CJ, ibabalik at ibabalik ko siya. So, what happens because of that incident, so na-refocus siya and makita nyo naman siya. Nakita nyo kanina talagang ayaw patalo. And that's the kind of player na we want to have. Especially in this kind of championship, makikita nyo. Yung last possession, lahat sa kanya ko binigay. Although that play is not for him because we're after sa quick 2 or quick 3, but he has the opportunity. And that kind of shot, ginagawa niya sa practice sa game. Makikita natin That's why, nung pataas pa lang bola, palagay ko, papasok ito. And then, nakinig yung nasa taas natin. And I'm so happy for his guts.
Nung fourth quarter pala, 6 of 6 ka. Parang nung 6 after quarter. Pero ngayon, fourth quarter naman. Bibigat pa yung
Actually, ginawa ko lang naman kung ano yung makakaya kong gawin. And yun nga, struggle sa first half, but yun, di nawawala yung trust ng mga coaches sa akin. And yun, nag-response lang ako kung ano yung binibigay sa akin na trust ng mga coaches.